In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook. By the end, you'll have a brand new email address and be looking at your inbox ready to send and receive messages. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Microsoft Outlook sign up page. On that page, look for the Create Free Account button and click it. This takes you straight into the account setup flow, so make sure you're on a trusted Microsoft site before you begin. Next, choose the email address you want. Type a username that fits how you plan to use the account, professional for work or something simple and memorable for personal use. Then select the domain from the dropdown. You can choose either @outlook.com or @hotmail.com. Functionally, they work the same. @outlook.com is the modern default, while @hotmail.com is a legacy option some people still prefer. If the name you want is already taken, don't worry, that's common. Try small variations like adding a middle initial, a short word related to your role, or a number that's meaningful to you but not personally revealing. Keep it easy to say and spell. Avoid random strings that you'll forget or names that could look unprofessional later. When prompted, create a strong password. Aim for at least 12 characters and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A memorable passphrase works great. For example, several unrelated words combined with punctuation. Don't reuse a password from another site and consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you won't lose access. You'll be asked for your first and last name, your country or region, and your birth date. Enter accurate information here. Your region helps with localization and time settings, and your birth date can help with account recovery and age-related protections. If you travel often, you can adjust time zone later in settings. To protect against automated signups, Microsoft will show you a quick puzzle or CAPTCHA. Follow the on-screen instructions. Drag the pieces, type the characters, or use the audio option if it's offered and you prefer that. Take your time. You can usually retry if it doesn't go through the first time. Finally, click next to complete setup. You'll be taken to your new Outlook inbox. On the left, you'll see folders like inbox and sent items. The center shows your messages, and the right pane is where you'll read and compose. From here, you can personalize your experience later. Things like choosing a theme, creating a signature, and organizing folders. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. That's it. Your Outlook account is ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new inbox.